Okay, here I now design this one simple circuit. Here I use this ESP32 microcontroller board, 0.96 OLED display. We connected to this OLED display with I2C protocol like required 4 wire VCC, ground, SCL and SDA pin, and I connected to this three push button to enroll your fingerprint. Okay, now I connect this fingerprint sensor. This one is the R307 fingerprint. Now I connected to this fingerprint sensor will be connected to this UART. I mean this pin number 16 and 17 we directly connected it. Now I connected to this USB cable to ESP32 board. See the OLED display will be connecting Wi-Fi connected, and is so as template 3, and the fingerprint sensor will be recognized and is working. Now what I do, I enroll this first fingerprint. See when you pressing this red button, is display place your finger, and if you want to change this ID you just press this blue button, the ID will be increases like that, and when you pressing this white button the ID will be decreases. Now I put this finger in first ID, and I put my finger. Says display remove finger. Now I remove place again, is display store ID1. Now is ready for the attendance. I put this same finger, and is display welcome Pratik in. Social will be updated. See, name will be display, status in date, and in time will be display. I put the same finger. This time is making this attendance for out. See, is display Pratik out. Welcome Pratik out. Updated done. Excel sheet will be updated. Name is Pratik. Status out. Out date and out time will be display. Now I add this second finger. I press this red button, and I increase this ID. When I pressing this blue button the ID will be changes like that, increases, and when I pressing this white button the ID will be decreases. Now I place my second finger to second ID. Now I put this finger, is display remove finger. I remove again and place again. ID second two will be stored. Now I put my second finger, is display welcome sing in. Update done. Excel sheet will be updated. I put this out time, I mean the second time same finger, display welcome sing out. Few seconds the Excel sheet will be updated. This was the perfect working for the attendance system in your office or colleges. I hope you like this video, and if you like it please hit the like button, share with all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel please press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Okay, the code and circuit diagram link available in this video description. If you want then please check out.